Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to a mailbag unboxing. It is August 15th. Want to see this? That's what we got right there. It's a huge... Let's see here. The first thing we have is from Angela Cooksey in Dayton, Ohio. Let's see here. It is the Gremlins VHS. Cool. Lit. The OG cover too. A little fucked up, so if I ever find it again, I'm gonna get a new one. The next thing is from Alan T. Back from Wichita, Kansas. Wichita. Can't talk worth a shit today. It is Scooby-Doo 2 Monsters Unleashed VHS. A little fucked up there, but whatever. Good shape. The VHS itself is in good shape. That's cool. The next thing is from Brian Stratcher from Olatio, Tennessee. I don't even know what the hell all these are, so... I didn't order shit, so let's see. Unless my packages are coming in from like a while ago, I don't know. We'll see. Whatever it is, it won't frickin' open. Dick. Brian in here is a dick. He didn't open it. He taped it really good. Just kidding. I'd rather have it taped really good if it's in the mail and it's something breakable and shit, you know? I hope it's money. Yeah. That would be cool if it was money. I'm tell my girl, babe, we're going on vacation. We're very rich, very evil now. Depending on how much money it is, it won't be for long. So you know my dumb ass will spend it all. How do you open this stupid thing? There we go. Oh, ooh. Bubble wrap. Boom. Yeah. How do you keep an autistic entertained? Give him bubble wrap. It's in what? There's 3 things in here. So it's Austin Powers Goldmember. Wow, really good shape for that one. Definitely really good shape. Austin Powers International Man of Mystery. And last but not least in this one, it is Austin Powers, The Spy Who Shagged Me. Wow, really good shape. Pretty much brand new. Alright, the next thing is from Catherine McBride from Ewing, New Jersey. What a dumbass town name. Ewing. What a dumb town name. Ewing. How would you like to live in a damn town called Ewing? Not I. I would not like to live there. Not me. Can you, like, open without me slicing my finger open would be appreciated. Yeah, y'all may see an injury on here. I might slice myself or something. Maybe stab myself if I keep waving this knife around accidentally. I'm like fucking Chucky in here or something. Oh my god. One thing I hate about packages is tape. Let's see. What the fuck is this? It's a monster, whatever it is. God damn, better be worth it, whatever it is opening up here. I always like when I don't know what the hell it is, because then it's like a surprise to me. I feel like I'm cutting a steak open with this. Oh look, we got cardboard. Thanks, I got cardboard. I'm very I appreciate the cardboard. Oh. Let's see what the hell it is. Damn, what'd they use? A whole roll of duct? A whole roll of tape? The fuck? Ain't my fucking money, so I don't give a shit. Want to waste a whole roll of tape on that? By all means, be my guest. What the hell are you? Thank God I got memory on this memory card. That's all I gotta say. Did I slice my finger? I swear to God I saw red. Whatever. Don't know how I sliced my finger, but... Holy shit, I almost did cut my finger off on that one. I'm telling you, it's a whole roll of tape. For what, though? Whoa. Cool. Yeah, I saw it before you guys did. Don't worry, though. Eventually, I will show you. It's all in a bag. It's like a drug bag. Ghostbusters 1 and 2 in there, double pack. Ghostbusters 2. Ooh, I love the Venti look. Cool. Be kind, rewind. My ass. That is cool. I like that one. It's pretty cool. Let's see what the next one is. Black Wings theft in Bakersfield, California. Or Bakersfield, not Bakersfield. Bakersfield. Jesus Christ, speak right. Oh. It's the Grinch. Cool. That would have been cool if they made the VHS green. That's cool. Let's see here. The next thing is from Ray Tisco in Hoopeston, Illinois. There's some stupid ass towns, I tell you what. I was driving today. I saw a town called Rice. It's generic as fuck. Hey, Jay and Silent Bob Strike Back. Cool. Not corroded or nothing. Be kind. Please rewind. That's cool. All right. The next thing is from Lisa Pfaff from Princeton, Minnesota. I was just in Princeton. I literally just drove by Princeton. That's cool when you drive by places that you see. Thanks, huh? Matthew, thank you for your order. Enjoy, have a safe and blessed year. Lisa, I ain't ordered it though. Okay, I must have ordered it a while ago. Scooby-Doo, the movie. Pretty good shape too. Okay. Let's see here. The next one is from Andrew Thomas from Thiverton, Rhode Island. We're not even halfway through, y'all. Told you it's going to be a long-ass motherfucking video. Probably about a 20-minute one. Huh? Key Salt Collectibles. Okay. The Haunted Mansion on VHS. That's pretty cool. It's cool. Alright. The next thing is from Craig Leary in Ernest, Pennsylvania. Ernest. Yeah. Those were good movies, Ernest movies. Oh, you big bastard. Fuck. Flintstones in Viva Rock Vegas. I thought it was sealed for a minute, but it's not. Cool. Now I got both of them on VHS. That's cool. The next one is from Abby Smith from Harrison, Arizona. Shrek 2 on VHS. Cool. Really good shape too. Nice. The next thing is from Goodwill VSB in Oxnard, California. Nard. Yeah. Ooh, Beetlejuice on VHS. Cool. Beetlejuice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. The next one is Sean Tisler from Clearfield, Pennsylvania. I feel bad for whoever reacts to this video. No way. Mr. Nanny with Hulk Hogan in it on VHS. That's cool. Wait, what? Cool. The next one is from Cliff in Medina, Ohio. Gremlins 2, the new batch on VHS. Nice. Second Gremlins. Cool. The next one is from Jonathan Lancaster from Dayton, Ohio. We literally almost have a 20-minute video going on. We got one more package after this. What the? No. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban sealed. Nice. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets sealed. Cool. And Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone sealed. Cool. That is cool. And last but not least, Vintage Menardi and More in Town, Arizona. Whoa! The OG Goonies cover too, and the Goonies on VHS. Cool. That's awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. We got a lot more coming. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll learn every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.